What up, YouTube? It's Manny the Barber again, coming to you with an unboxing. You know, promise some tutorials. Pretty sure they're could be coming out soon. As you guys seen with my arsenal, I had no masters, so I decided to finally get some because my wall senior started acting up on me. So let's get into it. You got your standard paperwork, certificate and everything. You got your blade guard. These don't come with the guards because I didn't order the one with the guards because I already have the nano guards. Blade guard. And you should have some Andis clipper oil lubricant. Here's the clipper. Of course, I'm gonna adjust them and zero gap them. To get it skin and tight. I'm gonna go plug these in right quick. There you go. The Andis Masters. Yo, pretty good clipper, man. Had good reviews about it. I got the one with the regular blade. It's not the fade blade. It's not the fade masters. I already have a fade blade on my senior, so pretty good. Alright, that's the unboxing. Manny the Barber signing out.